Welcome to Bike Lane, the place where we explore legendary machines that shaped history. Today, we're taking a step back in time to talk about the old Ford Model T, the car that changed the world of automobiles forever. The birth of the Model T. Introduced in 1908 by Henry Ford, the Model T wasn't just another car, it was the beginning of affordable personal transportation. Built with simplicity in mind, it became the first automobile that ordinary families could own. Revolutionary production. One of the biggest reasons behind the success of the Model T was Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line. This reduced production costs, increased efficiency, and allowed the car to be sold at a much lower price than competitors. By 1914, Ford was producing thousands of cars per day. Design and performance. The Ford Model T came with a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine that produced 20 horsepower, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. It had a simple yet robust design, making it reliable on rough roads. With interchangeable parts and easy maintenance, it was built to last. Impact on society. The Model T transformed transportation in America and beyond. It gave people the freedom to travel, boosted industries like oil and steel, and helped shape modern infrastructure. More than 15 million units were sold before production ended in 1927. Legacy of the Model T. The Ford Model T wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. It marked the beginning of mass mobility and remains a symbol of innovation and progress in the automotive world. Conclusion. The old Ford Model T will always be remembered as the car that put the world on wheels. From its humble beginnings to its massive influence, it stands as a true legend in automotive history. That's all for today's review of the old Ford Model T. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Lane for more motorcycle updates, reviews, and comparisons. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.